Good afternoon, friends, and warm welcome to all of you at Phoenix Commodities. So, am I audible and my screen is visible to everyone? Yeah, please. Yes, that's great. I'm already getting wonderful reply from everyone. That's great. Thanks a lot for replying. Yeah, so my screen is visible and I'm audible, right? Yeah. Yes, once again, warm welcome to all of you at Phoenix Commodities. Now, Phoenix Commodities, as I uh, told you all, and as you all already know, yeah, the quick introduction for those who are a new one. I can see plenty of attendees are still joining. Once again, warm welcome to all of you at Phoenix Commodities. And Phoenix Commodities is purely into training and grooming people for commodity markets in India. Our mission is to empower and educate people for different asset classes in India, and as a part of our initiative towards spreading learnings and awareness about commodities market, we have started this free learning series. And yeah, I'm really glad to see huge number of attendees to evaluate something new, and even I'm glad to start this new series, that is Commodity Pathshala. Before going ahead, a quick introduction about myself. I am Hiral Shah, Chief Mentor and Co-founder at Phoenix Commodities. Yeah, and I'm MBA and MCA certified commodity professional. You have more than decade years of experience in teaching. Yes, I can see that majority of the members are joining for the first time. So here, those who have missed our previous session, today it's a commodity Pathshala part 5. So those who have missed our session and those it's a first session for them, they can just log in our website, that is Phoenix Commodities website. Here I'm just showing you people our Phoenix Commodities website homepage. It's a homepage. You can go into the learning tab and you will be getting the recordings of the previous webinar. So definitely I'm not going to repeat what we have done in part 1 to part 4. As I told you, part 3 was very important as it was highlighting the power of compounding and your investment, yeah, the strategy to start your investment in a new financial year, or how you can multiply your capital by trading in commodities. So you people can just register in our website and can go through previous recording, as well as this is our Phoenix Commodity free channel. I think majority of you all would be part of our Phoenix Commodity free channel, right? Telegram channel. So here you people can see this is our Telegram channel, and yeah, don't join any fake channel. I think majority of you all would be part of it. Still, if you're not part of it, I'll just post a link over here, and you people should be part of our Phoenix Commodities Telegram channel, because here you will be getting all sort of information, whatever you need for, as well as the live updates, live trade levels, everything will be updated over here. So be a part of our Phoenix Commodity Telegram channel. Yeah, so before going ahead, uh, yes, I will be laying down today's agenda point and what we are going to target today. So first of all, by this commodity Pathshala, I am trying to connect you people. I will try to connect live with you all. I want that all the participants or all the commodity traders and interested market participants can connect with me live. We can discuss commodity market trends, we can discuss technicals, fundamentals, currency fluctuations, and a lot more things over here. Yeah, definitely we will be discussing what all is important to be a successful or to become a pro in commodity trading, as well as what should you people focus on and what you all should not, why it is important to learn and become an independent rather than following any sort of tips for your trading. Before going ahead, let me quickly lay down today's agenda point. Yes, today we are going to analyze live MCX market. We are going to discuss what are the trade levels when put up in our channel as well as in our free channel. What are the importance of our trading levels? Why patience is virtue in trading? Means all sort of things I'm going to uh, clear right now. Understanding impact of supply and demand, as I had given a commitment to you all, right? Majority of the members were interested what is inventory trading, how we can take an advantage of inventory trading. So yesterday was a crude inventory, and today we are going to have today night 8 o'clock, or I think 8:30 p.m., that is the NG inventory is been scheduled. So even I'm going to discuss inventory. So today's session is going to be very, very important. So please, yeah, stay tuned for that. Economics behind inventory data, Phoenix way of learning, and I will be definitely answering all your questions. So let us jump to the analyzing live MCX market. I have already got a plenty of questions over here, Dev sir, and many other questions. I will be targeting everyone's question. Yes, you can start if you have only 15,000. See, this is the biggest advantage of trading in commodities. Before coming to today's topic or inventory data, let us jump to the to show our today's trade levels, as well as the people those who are still having confusion that what is the amount required to start trading in commodities. For them, I'll definitely start when I'll be showing you people. Yeah, I'm just opening RMS live update of Allies Blue. You people can open an account under Allies Blue. The margin requirement for trading commodities is quite less than any other platform. And here you can see, Dev said this is an answer to your question. See, those who have missed our previous session, I'll be requesting them to just go through the previous session so that you all can, yeah, so that you all will get the basic insights about the commodities, what are the margin requirement for trading in commodities, and plenty of other things. Yeah, it's okay. Still, I'll be showing you. Dev sir, you people can see. You people can save this link or can make it a bookmark and can just observe what are the margin requirement for trading in commodities for today. Okay, so here you people can see you can start your journey with only one lot of natural gas requires 13,854 rupees. It's quite less, right? Yes, you can start your journey with a less capital. Say by you can trade with the silver mini, you can trade in the silver micro with just 4,000 rupees. Slowly, slowly you can build your capital. And once your capital is built, you can trade in other commodities. Say by, yeah, in gold mini you can just start with a 20K, and you can start trading in crude oil or other base metals and other commodities. So Dev sir, did you got your answer? You can definitely start your journey with 15,000, but all of you please remember one thing. First of all, you all should focus on learning. So once you are focused and once you are done with your learnings, definitely you can easily multiply your capital. There is a huge potential of commodities. It is giving us a 14 plus trading hours. Market starts at 9 o'clock and ends at 11:35 p.m. So according to your convenience, once you are learned, once you know little bit of fundamentals, pinch of fundamentals, and a strong robust technical setup can give you amazing accuracy in your trades. And if you will follow strict rules and discipline, then you will able to, yeah, or you can easily multiply your capital as all our members are doing it. Dev sir, did you got your answer? Imran sir, if you can't hear me, or if there is there any issue in audio? All of you can hear me, or is there any issue in audio? Is it clear? Yeah, so those who are facing any issue, you just need to relog in yourself and you will get it right. Okay, that's great. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. See now here today, yeah, first of all, before starting today's topic about inventory and what is the importance of inventory in commodities, what is the supply and demand. Let me explain you all that how you can or what are the today's market. Let us analyze today's market before jumping to this inventory and how you can take an advantage of inventory. True. So here today the levels have been posted before market opened. Yeah, the crude and the zinc, and yes, even yesterday's level, both the levels had worked nicely. First of all, yeah, definitely I'll be explaining you. I'm reading your questions and I'll be targeting all your questions. So just hold on. See, first of all, whenever this market is open or the Gini trade levels which we have posted specifically, say by, let us take one commodity as an example, or if you want to check other commodities as well, we'll be looking at that. Here you people can see that the crude sell call was posted early in the morning, and when the call was posted, we didn't got execution, price didn't got executed, and it it started downward. We even posted crude sell near 444. These are the Gini levels which I am showing you people. So again another sell level, revised sell levels were posted, but even it didn't execute it. So in the afternoon, crude buy levels were posted. Here you people can see that the buy levels were posted around, yes, I'll definitely show you people. Buy levels were posted around the afternoon 12:15, and after 12:15 around 1:15 the buy levels got executed exactly from 4398, and it made a high of 4472. In fact, all the trade levels had given amazing accuracy. This buy levels too worked nicely, and the sell levels too worked nicely. If you will check our sell levels, then here the SL has not hit it. So sell levels were, the first sell levels were sell crude near 54 with the SL of 77, yet the stop loss is not hit. Yeah, definitely I'll be showing you people in the charts. I need to open the charts. That is what I missed today, opening it before. So yeah, I'll be just taking few minutes to open the chart. Yeah, let us jump to the investing.com. I'm going to use the free version of investing.com. You all people can look into investing.com. Here you will able to check the global charts as well as the MCX chart. So it is always very helpful. And yes, if you can even compare both the chart by using this multiple windows which is available over here. It is a very yeah, this it is very user friendly and it's very effective. All the features are quite user friendly and effective to use, so you people should explore how to use investing.com. It's definitely going to help you all. Yes, first of all, we'll discuss today's crude chart. Yeah, you can just go to the commodities tab, and as we want to look into MCX crude oil chart, so first of all I'm opening MCX crude oil chart. I'm not opening WTI, and here you people can see this is MCX crude oil chart, and here you can see that the high made by the crude oil is 4475, yet the 77 stop loss is not heated. So sell levels also performed perfectly well, and the buy levels which were posted over here, that too worked very nicely. The simple technicals or the simple set of technicals along with a pinch of fundamentals gives amazing accuracy in crude oil. Since few days, or since last few days, or I would say from Monday, we are seeing that this commodities are little bit affected on with the USD INR price action or the strong moves in USD INR. The sort of strong moves are, see, yes, the potential of this commodities is too huge, sir. See, if you people can pick up such one good trade, if you are picking such one good buy entry, you will be scoring more than 50 points of profit. It is almost 74 points of profit. In that, if you are able to capture 20 points, that is also 2000 rupees of profit. So it's quite simple. You just need to be ready with the important levels, and you can capture such moves. If one such trade is enough for the day, if you will follow strict rules and disciplines, definitely you will able to multiply your capital. Same capital you can use for the investment, say buying the gold, silver, or any other commodities for the long term, as well as in any other segment wherever you are interested. So you can build your capital with the help of commodities, and then can use that same capital in the market itself for a long term investment. Yes, both are having its own pros and cons. So here the commodities is the platform, or is the segment which is giving you both possibilities. You can build as well as you can invest it. Yes, I know, as many members are asking me about the gold and silver. Majority of the Indians are just fond of investing in gold and silver, right? And here in the commodities, investing in the bullions is quite simple. You can build your capital by intraday trading and can do the long-term investment in the gold, silver. Yes, our master has done the long-term investment in the gold. As I am getting questions related to that, I am coming to that point. But see, this buy and the sell levels worked perfectly. It is live and it is seen over here, and yeah, all of you can see this. Even it's not only the genie which is picking such wonderful levels. If you will be just seeing any of our group, they are also minting huge profits. So the batch 40 is ongoing batch right now. I'm just showing you people live chat which has been there. I'm opening it right now in front of you all. See how beautifully our members had picked up perfect bottom for the buy and a perfect top for the sell, and see how beautifully they are trading. Just the 50% of classes are done for batch 14. It is ongoing batch, and see how beautifully they are sharing their entry levels, they are sharing their exact levels, they share what levels they missed, what can be the next level, and they do learning and earning together. So it is not only the genie which is giving good levels, the same technical setup which we are teaching to our members, and they are also implementing it in a right way and doing wonderful job. So this things I'm showing you people live right now. Even I'm seeing checking these things along with you, and this is the power of learning. So right now, you as you all want to check the investment or the long-term investment, how we can do that. So yeah, let me show you people the masters channel, how our members are doing that. Let me show you the live example. Okay, so let us not go behind, but let us see the live example. So the gold we all know had picked up from the bottom. It has perfectly reversed from the bottom, and I'm really glad to share with you all that our masters have picked up the perfect bottom at the right time. They had picked the perfect bottom. Yes, in the natural gas. See here, people, how our members are doing the positional trading. Just check how beautifully they picked the perfect bottom in natural gas as well. Not only in NG, even in the gold, they picked the perfect bottom. They did the investment. Just check this. Just check this gold call, which was been posted by our master. Positional gold 47,000 CE, and holding two targets, week's target 300 plus. And do you want to check the levels which were being picked up by our master? Okay, I'll be showing you, don't worry. It has reversed perfectly from bottom and has given amazing profits, and the majority, I think 2 to 3 members, they traded in globally. Yeah, the profits were very good, and even in the MCX gold. Okay, so let me show you the global gold chart as well as MCX gold chart. Yeah, definitely I'll be showing you. We are always discussing crude oil. I think that would be good for everyone to have a change, and let us look at the gold futures. True. Just check this. I'm going to the daily chart. See the levels which have been provided by our masters and see the result of that. Isn't it amazing? They picked the perfect bottom. This is the daily chart, and since 1, 2, 3, 4 days, the price is just giving one way upward move. So when the complete world will start investing in gold, our members are already done with the profits and they would be out of the position. They will be booking their profits. This is the power of the technicals. This is a global chart of the gold which I am showing you people. If you want to check the MCX chart, of the gold. Yes, these commodities are traded globally. It is not only traded in India, it has been traded worldwide. And our MCX chart are mirrored image of this globally traded script. So the technicals works amazingly in commodities. The basic reason behind that is yeah, it is because it is traded globally, it is having actual usage, so it is difficult to manipulate it. Here you will be getting gold meaning, gold pattern, gold guinean, gold futures, whatever gold you want to check. Yes, I'll be checking the MCX gold chart, and here you people can see MCX chart of the gold. Here you all can see that how beautifully we were able to pick the perfect bottom and see the power of technicals. Isn't it is amazing? Yes, we can do our long-term investment as well once we are done with the building of our capital. I just showed you the live levels which have been provided in our master's channel as well as in the charts that how did it work. Come on, tell me. Yeah, I'm waiting for your replies. Did it work perfectly? Yes, great. Again, yeah, definitely I'll be showing you other levels as well for the gold and silver or for the higher time frame. Yeah, one can trade in the global script. If you are having account in US, you can even trade this commodities in a yeah, in a global account, and you can mint profits in the lakhs. Yes, here you people can see that Master Subhash is trading in US dollar, and every time his profits would be more than uh yeah, every time it would be like more than 30 lakhs or 40 lakhs. And see, this is a gold profit screen from the same trade which I showed you people. The member has the traded and they maintained a good profit in gold. So this is the power of commodities. Even you can trade in the global script. Even you can uh, make, see, you can build your capital by doing intraday trading at your own convenience because you are getting flexi timings. Again, you can trade in the global script. So wherever you are located, if you're not in India or any part of the world, you can have a global account and can trade in that and can mint huge. Same sort of technicals will be working. Again, because of this, the technicals works amazingly in MCX chart because they are traded globally. Nobody can, one or two members can't come and just uh, uh, can just manipulate the prices of this commodities. They are having that actual usage. It is not possible to manipulate. So this is the power of commodities, and this is how what I want to show you people how our members are doing it. This was regarding the gold and the crude. Yes, I'm coming to inventory as well as the today's trade levels, other trade levels which have been posted. So if you think about the base metal or a zinc, 1 point of profit in a zinc gives a 5,000 rupees of profit. Here you people can see that every day our members are just nailing it, or more than 10, they are making more than 10,000 rupees of profit. Here you people can see that today in the nickel also worked perfectly and gave a quick 3 points of profit. Zinc gave 1 point of profit. The master's level were been put up for the zinc, and we scored more than 1 point of profit in zinc in just few seconds, as well as the sell levels. Along with that, the buy levels were posted by Genie. That too worked perfectly. Here you people can see even the copper gave a small profit and it is reversed. So we need to put up a new levels for the copper. Yeah, zinc levels which have been put up, they are not yet executed for the buy levels, but the sell levels did work perfectly and it has already given 1 point of profit. Yeah, definitely will be showing you people yesterday's move as well. Yesterday was a crude inventory at night, and here you people can see that crude this were the crude evening levels where the buy was given like nearby 4398, and it has given almost 40 points of profit. Again, the crude inventory levels were given in the evening, and that was a sell near 4 422 and it made a low of 4332. It also gave more than 40 points of profit. So yes, it is working amazingly, and inventory is always very good to take or will be giving a good opportunity to take a good huge moves, means we'll be getting huge moves during inventory. It's always a good opportunity to mint money for the complete month. Here I'm showing you the crude oil futures. This is a WTI chart, but instead of that, let us just focus on the Indian chart, and let me show you the price action which has happened in the yesterday's uh, when the inventory came sharp at 8 o'clock. Yes, let us look at the charts first of all, and then we'll be coming to the point that how this inventory is impacting supply and demand. Yes, some technicals. Yeah, I am getting plenty of questions that can we get some sort of technicals how to trade on this commodities? Can we get some techniques to trade in this commodities? So yes, definitely I'm just noting down these questions, and I'll be answering your questions in the upcoming session as well. We'll try to give some sort of strategies for you all, but still I would say that the short term strategies, whatever I'll be teaching you in 1 hour or in 15 minutes, that strategy may not give you 100% accuracy or a 90 or more than 90% of accuracy, because it may work once, it may not work once. You need to understand the concept in detail. You need to club the sentiments with the sort of technicals, and that will give you amazing accuracy above 80 to 90%. So yeah, definitely we'll be teaching you people techniques, but that's not possible to teach you the complete concept in the depth. And I firmly believe that until you don't know the concept properly, until you don't know the sentiments or the little bit fundamentals and the complete indicators, set of indicators which you are using, you won't be getting good accuracy. So that would be such hundreds of strategies or the 1 minute strategies which will be available in the market with one indicator or two indicator. I really don't promote those sort of strategies or sort of techniques, because it may give you profit once or twice, but it may take your profit away from third or fourth time. Are you understanding, sir? So my criteria would be to explain you people the concept in detail. As we have taken today inventory, yeah, let us focus on the inventory, and then we'll definitely oh, uh, we'll try to explain you people few important technical indicators or basic technicals which will be helpful to you people to understand the price action. Will definitely plan accordingly, as I have already got plenty of questions for the same. I'll definitely put it up in and will schedule my next webinar accordingly. Today's webinar we are going to focus more on inventory, as I got a plenty of requests for inventory. So let us focus on the inventory right now. As here you people can see, yeah, I'm just converting it into 1 hour chart. This is our MCX crude oil chart. Here you people can see it is a 1 hour chart, and this was a yesterday's move, right? Yeah, yeah, 1 minute. I'll just zoom it. Yes, yes, definitely I'll zoom it. Here you people can see 8 o'clock the inventory was released at a sharp 8 o'clock. And here you people can see that there was a huge spike at 8 o'clock from the support zone, and then price reversed from the resistance zone. Yeah, 1 minute. I'll be showing you people in the Zerodha as well. Yes, yes, definitely I'll be showing you, because the candles would be in the 30 minutes frame, or we can go into the 15-minute time frame. That would be quite easy to understand for you all. Yes, we'll be doing that. Say buy at, yeah, this was the time 7:30. Here you people can see 7:45 and 8 o'clock when inventory came. When inventory came, there was a sudden spike upward side, and then again the price reversed, and at night itself the price again had given the complete upward journey. So what was inventory about? Was it positive for the price or it was negative for the price? Believe me, technicals also played a beautiful role during yesterday's inventory, as well as there was a very good movement according to the data of the inventory. Let me show you people the inventory data. Again, we'll be coming to the chart and we'll be explaining you what sort of price action we got along with the data. Yeah, definitely will be showing you. And I'll also be showing you how our members had booked a huge profits during inventory time. Yes, definitely I'll be showing you. So yesterday was a Wednesday and we got inventory at the sharp 8 o'clock yesterday. So here you people can see that this is a consensus inventory, that is a forecasted inventory. There are many research analysts, they will be coming up with their research and they would be thinking that this sort of inventory would be there in or during Wednesday, and that would be sort of the price action on the basis of this. So this forecasted inventory is minus 1.436 M, and when this inventory released, see by actual inventory was minus 3.522. When this actual inventory is released, we need to compare this actual inventory with the forecasted inventory data, because the price action would have already been done on the basis of this forecasted data. Now, actual inventory stock inventory is actually giving you the weekly measure of the change in the number of the barrels in the stock of crude oil. Okay, so it tells you that what the stock, what is the availability of the stock. Now, I am just asking you few questions. I'm expecting the quick answers from everyone. If the stock or if the quantity is more than expected, if we are having a more stock, whether it is a positive for the price or negative for the price, the availability of the stock is more than what we were expecting. Yes, Pritam sir, your answer is right. The stock availability is more than expected, so it is negative for the price. If the stock is less than expected, whatever we were expecting, and the inventory data or the stock is less than expected, just it is the we need to understand the scenario of the supply and demand. If the stock is less than we were expecting, then what would be the scenario? Whether it would be positive for the price or negative for the price? It would be positive for the price, right? Yeah. So yesterday, during yesterday inventory release, here you people can see that the forecasted inventory data was minus 1.436. So research analyst has came up with that research and they told that the expected inventory data is minus 1.436 and the actual released was minus 3.522. So was it less than expected or more than expected? It is in minus, so it is less than expected. As the data is less than expected, as the stock was less than what we were expecting, it is a positive for the price. Are you all understanding this thing? Is it clear? Yes, it is positive for the price and the data was positive for the price. Now let us see what happens in the charts and what sort of move we are getting at that 8 o'clock. Yeah, definitely every time we won't be getting the movement according to the data. See, first of all, we need to understand what would be the data impact during inventory. And second thing, the technicals. So if it is positive for the price, we need to understand that how it is positive for the price and what can be the data positive or negative for the price, what can be data impact. Then we need to study the technical setup and should take our position according to technicals. So as per the technicals, at sharp at 8 o'clock, here you people can see, yes, if I'll be going in the shorter time frame, people will get the clear picture of the price action which we got at 8 o'clock. Here you all can see what happened at the sharp 8 o'clock. This is 7:35 and 7:47. Yeah, 8 o'clock. At 8 o'clock, as the data came, there was a sudden spike upward. Price was facing the resistance over here, and as per the technicals, it just went downward as it was getting the resistance from the top. It came down, it took support from the previous support zone, and as per the data, again, exactly from the previous support zone 4332, it again pushed up and closed the price at almost near the high of the day. So as per the inventory data, it has given a spike upward side at the end of the day, and as per the technicals, it went downward. It respected the previous resistance zone as well as the support zone, and had given a wonderful downward move, took support and had given a good upward journey as well. Yes, and both side our members had maintained huge. We just need to be ready with such levels. If you are ready with levels, then you can just capture such a strong move with the help of the inventory. So that was a crude inventory move yesterday. See, every time, yes, I will be answering to your questions as well. Every time during inventory, there is not a possibility that we would be getting the strong moves. We need to check what was the previous week inventory. And right now it is positive for the price. So since the previous week, price is just consolidating within this range. And it has already shoot up since the last 2 days. So today, according to the data, again the yesterday the price shoot up and yeah, now technicals will play its own role. So during inventory time, we'll be getting the sudden spike upward or downward side, and then technicals will play its role. We should know what is the data, whether it is a positive for the price or negative for the price. The understanding of the data impact along with the strong this technical setup will help you to take perfect moves, and just in the few minutes you will be done with your profits, because here during inventory you people can see it is just live in front of you all that we got a 50-point move of downward side as well as a strong move in the upward side, yesterday's move which I'm showing you people. Yeah, strong move upward side within a few minutes. So this is the power of inventory move, and that sort of volatility will be getting during inventories. Yes, I'll be definitely discussing NG inventory, Ambuj sir. So hold on, I'm just opening NG inventory. Can we take today's NG inventory? So today NG inventory is been scheduled after 4 hours at 8 o'clock. All of you can see. And what is the forecasted inventory? What is the forecasted inventory? 21B. What was the previous inventory? Previous inventory was a 14B. And the forecasted inventory, we are expecting that the stock would be more than last week, right? We are already expecting the stock should be more and it is negative for the price than last week. Now, whenever we'll be getting this actual inventory data, at that time we need to compare actual inventory data with this forecasted inventory data. If the actual data is more than expected, if this actual data is more than what we were expecting, then it would be negative for the price. If the data is less than expected, then it would be positive for the price. Now, why we are comparing this with the forecasted one? Because according to this forecasted inventory data, already the price action would have done. Okay, already we would have got the price action in the chart. So we need to compare actual inventory data. When it comes after 4 hours and 20 minutes, you just need to compare it with the actual data. If it is positive for the, whether it is positive for the price or negative for the price. Along with that, we just need to check the technicals and you will get a strong move during inventory. Ambud sir, are you understanding? Is this clear to everyone? All of you try to observe live NG inventory and check whether it is a positive for the price or negative for the price. If it is coming almost near this, yeah, definitely I'll be replying you for the same. If the inventory is almost same than that the forecasted, then we won't be getting a strong move. It will be showing the neutral impact. We won't be getting a strong spikes upward side or downward side. So here you people can even check the charts of the natural gas. Yeah, definitely. And I'll be showing you people that how our members are also taking entry exits according to the NG inventory done. See here you people can see that they shared everything. They will be sharing their forecasted data. Each and every group would be active and they all are ready with inventory data. The forecast is bearish for the price. See, I'm just opening this window in front of you all. What they are telling that NG inventory today and the forecasted is the bearish for the price. Ambud sir, can you see this? And see, they are already relating it with the charts. So little bit of fundamentals and the strong technicals, it helped them to make a huge profits. Here you people can see the batch 14. It is started, and the same thing which I am explaining you people, they had already maintained a huge profits in NG. From morning itself, they were running behind the NG. They had already tried to capture a good move in NG, and it's not only one member, but I think more than 2 to 3 members had maintained a huge in NG. Here you people can see the second screenshot of NG, third screenshot of NG. It is like a 3250 rupees of profit. So they are already doing research on NG and they would be taking an advantage of this. So we or it is commodities is giving such a wonderful opportunity to mint money or to build up your capital. You just need to, whatever script you would be focusing, you don't need to focus hundreds of script in commodities. We just need to focus 8 to 9 script. Once you, and you just need to learn the move of, if you are trading in a single script, I would say it is more than enough to achieve your targets in commodities. You don't need to focus hundreds of scripts. Actually we are having only 9 to 10 scripts to focus in commodities, and in that if you are selecting 1 or 2 your favorite script, that is more than enough. You need to understand the sentiments, what they are showing, little bit of fundamentals and its way of working. You just need to pick the perfect vein of this commodities. If you're able to do this, then the sky is the limit for commodities. Yes, definitely I'll be coming to the charts. Which broker to open for the trading account? Neha, I already discussed that thing before. In the beginning of the class, you people can just open an account under Allies Blue. I've just opened the window over here, that what is the margin requirement for trading commodities in Allies Blue. Yes, Allies Blue is giving a good support, and you people, those who are opening account under Allies Blue, under Phoenix Commodities will be getting a good support from the team, as well as whatever offers we will be coming up, you will able to get that offer if you are trading under a Lice Blue account opened under Phoenix Commodities. Definitely will help you all for that and will be giving you support for the same. Yes, Arjun sir. So here we need to follow the strong technical setup. It is not just how we can make a buy or a sell entry. It is not just by telling one thing and you will understand. It is a complete package of a strong technical setup. And yes, the setup which we are teaching or the what we are teaching, I will definitely explain you, Arjun sir. Yeah, little bit I'll be explaining you. Just hold on. That's great. So here is details required for trading in yeah, wait, Arjun sir. Now let me come to again. You want to check the NG charts, right? Yeah, yeah. I'll be showing you. Don't worry. You can check. See, first of all, whenever you are trading in commodities, those who are commodity traders, they always need to keep an eye on the global chart as well as the MCX chart. So if you are following the single script, you should know that what the global market is telling, because our MCX chart would be mirror image of the global chart, and that will help us to pick a perfect move as our members are doing it. Yeah, USD/INR change rate. If the USD/INR is showing a strong spike upward side or a downward side, the fluctuation in the USD/INR also impact in commodities, because we are going to buy this commodities in US dollar. So definitely it is going to impact MCX chart of the uh, oh, so sorry. Yeah, natural gas. I just need to the commodities. Yeah, I'm showing you the charts here. You people can see this is the NYMEX chart of the natural gas. Yes, it is because of that expiry. It is showing such a volatile. Yeah, I'll be showing you the wait. I'm opening the MCX script of the natural gas, and this is the IC. Sorry, I opened the wrong script. Yeah, here I'm opening this natural gas MCX chart, and here you people can see the daily chart of NG. So as per the data, it is going to be bearish and the price had already traveled. Now this is the answer to your question, Ambuj sir and Arjun sir. First of all, how to make a buy and sell entry? Definitely it is going to rely on the complete set of technicals, and that I will not able to teach you right now. But yes, I'll just try to explain you the sentiments of the market, how you can decide for your technical indicators, how you can decide for your trades. So as it is bearish, but all of you can see here that the last week the price had already given a downfall. Was it a good downfall? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days of downfall. Am I right? Come on, I'm expecting answers from you all. Yes, so now today when the inventory data comes and again it is negative for the price. Again, this is a daily chart of the NG which I am showing you people. Okay, so again if it is a negative for the price, if today's NG data is negative for the price, then for giving a further downward journey, it has to cross this support zone. If the price is closing below this zone, then we would be getting a further downward journey. But if it is positive for the price, then it has to cross this resistance zone. If the price is closing above this resistance zone, then we would be getting the upward journey, and these are the targets for the upward journey. Already the price had given a good downward journey since 3 days. So though the inventory would be negative for the data, if there is no huge difference, then we won't be getting the downward move, because from the last week to this week, according to the expected data, it has already given a downward journey. Are you all understanding? Are you all understanding the sentiments of natural gas? Are you all getting an insights? about inventory data, how you can look into these things. Already according to the price action, since 1 2 3 4 days it has traveled, it has taken a support from the previous support zone, and it has given the bulls are a strong, are powerful, and it has it has given a strong bullish candle yesterday night. So now these are the important levels. These are the important levels which you need to look at for NG. Let's see what sort of spike we are getting today in NG inventory, or it is neutral. Correct. And keep an eye on these levels and see, as if one is broken, you'll be getting the further targets. Yeah, now you should follow the proper uh, technical setup, as well as majority of the members are asking me what are this. So this is just the horizontal static lines where the price had stopped previously. I'm just connecting that static lines and just see that how beautifully it is working. Yesterday, just imagine, yesterday NG took exact support from 180.73. All of you can see this, which was the previous static point in the chart of daily chart, and see how beautifully it is given upward journey. It had given 8 points of move. In this, if you are able to grab 2 to 3 points, then also it's more than enough. 1 point of profit in NG gives you 1250 rupees of profit. This little bit of research can give you amazing results in natural gas or any of the commodities. Am I right? All of you are understanding this yesterday's move. You can easily grab such move when you are ready with this levels, right? Yeah, today's crude levels. Yes, yes, definitely I'll be discussing that too. I think the NG inventory and crude inventory is quite clear with everyone. Where the Nukuraj sir, you are asking me where the lines has to be drawn, whether on the body or on the shadow. The lines has to be drawn where the multiple time the price had stopped. Price stopped year over year. On the same line, again the price stopped next day. Again, third day it stopped over here. On the fourth day it stopped over here. Fifth day it stopped over here. And see how beautifully it is working. I want to join your Genie channel. What's the benefit? Okay, Nikhil sir. I am already getting plenty of questions related about to Genie and the Masters channel, as well as our batch 15. So yeah, I'm coming to that reply as well. So Nukurat sir, do you got your answer? You need to join the lines, connect the dots where maximum time the price had stopped previously. Okay, and that will be giving you the static point. So now, yeah, definitely. I'll be showing you people the levels, today's levels, and how it has given. And yesterday during inventory, our members had made a huge profits. Okay, so this is the result. You people can see that even the batch 14, those who are learning right now, they are just learners. They have just finished half of the class, and believe me, they are doing wonderful job. They are doing wonderful research and minting huge. Yes, they maintained more than 10,000 rupees of profit during inventory. And I think the screenshot is already being shared in the group, right? Yes. Now, you people can just browse this Phoenix Commodities free channel. You will be getting it all the screenshot and how they have worked. See 10.26 profit from the batch 14. Anyways, further I'll be explaining you people. So this is the power of technicals. The few basic things I just showed you, and that is also giving amazing results. So just imagine if you are learning proper sentiments of the yeah, the sentiments behind this inventory data, or the little bit of fundamentals and this complete technical setup, definitely your accuracy is going to increase like anything. About the curriculum or the batch 15, see this the pinned message. Check this pinned message here. You people can see the yes, the last few sets are left for this early bird offer. Those who are going to enroll for batch 15, yes, per month Genie is giving amazing profits, but to work on the Genie research levels, which are always put up advanced. Nikhil sir, as you are interested in Genie, many other members are also asking me the same thing. I'm not yeah, I'm not just putting up names of everyone, but here you people can see that you are already getting 4 months of genie free, those who are early bird, and I think 5 to 6 seats are left for the early bird offer. So 4 months of genie, 1 month of genie is giving you more than I don't need to say, the profits potential of the genie is too huge. But the one who has learned, the one who will know how to work with this levels, they can make a huge of this. So instead of going through only for the genie, you should go for the batch 15, because ultimately you are going to recover your fees quite easily with a 1 or 2 months of genie after proper set of learning, and knowledge will be there with you for the complete lifetime. Are you understanding, Nikhil sir? Yeah, Genie research ideas are the labels which are being put up by our in-house Phoenix technical team. They give the advanced trade labels, and they help. It is basically made for our members. It is these labels have been put up on the basis of the technical setup which we are teaching to our members. Okay, so they can relate it, they can learn and earn together. Yeah, all the levels are advanced, so one will be getting enough time to work on that levels. They can easily work on that levels. They can put up the prior orders, and they can uh, yeah, and they can just mint, or they can recover their fees quite easily. So it is like an helping hand for our members. Yeah, definitely learnings will be a wonderful result. So if you are interested in your learnings, instead of joining only Genie, just go for this offer, because this offer is too good, and only I think few seats are left for this batch 14. Again, you will be added in such a group, say by batch 14. Here, just check here right now in front of you. I'm just sitting here, and you people can see that the hundreds of messages have been there. So it's this group, batch 15, batch 12. All the groups are very active, and they learn and earn together. So otherwise it is very tiring if you just do this sort of trading. uh, if you do the collaborative learning, then it would be very interesting. But if you do solo, it would be tiring, right? You will feel lonely. But here you will be added in the group of the batch 14, sorry, 15, where you can learn and earn together. See the batch 12 member, he had I'm just opening this window in front of you all. He had minted huge profit in copper. Yeah, 1 point of profit in copper is giving you 2500 lead, 1750. So investment, as I told you, investment is very less in commodities. In commodities, you can start your journey with a capital like 15,000, and you can multiply your capital. Neha, you want live trade and to help? Yes, definitely we can give some sort of live levels. You can follow our Phoenix Commodity free channel, some profit or SL, and go for your package. If you want to go, then you follow our Phoenix Commodities free channel. Every day it is giving amazing profits. And you can follow all the calls which have been posted at the advanced level. You can trade on the basis of those levels and can mint money for that, right? Yeah, in the webinar itself I can give you live levels, but that should be good opportunity. Correct, that should be good opportunity to take your trades on that time. But for your learnings, if you want to do, then every day 2 to 3 levels have been posted in our public channel. Wait for that levels, trade accordingly, and definitely you will mint huge, because the members are coming and telling me that only by from your public channel I had minted more than 15k, more than 20k. Yes, little bit of learnings are required, and don't worry, for your fees or for your recovery, you will get more than that once you are the part of the Phoenix Commodities, right? Because the learnings are assured over here, and you can multiply along with the knowledge. You will be getting the Genie and the Masters channel, which will be helping you to recover your fees, and even more than that, even you can be one of the master. So here you people can see that the master, one of the member of the batch 12 had just minted huge right now, and all the base metals you can see this natural gas, they are placing their orders, they are sharing their levels, they share everything, and this group continues that discussion from morning 9 to night 11:30. So yeah, definitely, Nikhil sir. Here is the PDF. Yeah, I will be discussing what is the curriculum. So first of all, you all should know that all the classes are being scheduled in the live market. Classes would be 7:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Everyday classes would be in the 7:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. in the live market, and the offer is too good that right now you will be getting the recordings of batch 14, which is ongoing batch. You people can go through that recordings, can start your learning from today itself. If you are really having the fire to learn, then don't let it down. Okay, you can start your learnings from today itself. You can prepare yourself for the live market classes, and nothing will be cut short in the live market. And here the curriculum is curriculated in such a beautiful way that we are covering fundamentals plus technicals. Means in short, everything is covered to become a pro in commodity trading, as well as you can use this technical setup in whatever script you will be trading globally or domestically traded script. Yeah, the fundamentals, world commodity market and trading system. At the technicals, we start from very basic price action, candlestick pattern, chart patterns. Exactly, divergences, gap theory, Fibo levels. The course is very exhaustive. Bollinger Bands, and the most important is Ichimoku trading system, which is giving more than 80% of accuracy. Analysis and the interpretation of economy and industry data, and all the inventory in the live market. Will try to take all the inventory in the live market. So this is a exhaustive curriculum which works. Yeah, the session would be almost 21 to 27 days of session in the live market. If you are missing any session, or if you are not able to attend it live, then you can go through recordings. Recordings will be there with you for the complete 1 year. So this is the complete package which you can work on the NJ. Yes, it's a complete package. And yes, Neha, you want the labels for the crude oil. What are the labels for the crude oil? Definitely, I'll be showing you what are the labels for the crude oil, what is a buy or a sell label. Already the sell labels are there for the crude oil. You can sell crude oil near 4453. That is a already ongoing label. I think it has been posted in our public channel as well. Can you see here? Yeah, let me go to Phoenix Commodities free channel. Just check this. And the targets are also mentioned over here. Okay, I went a little bit up. I'm just going down, and here you people can see that what are the levels for the crude oil today. Yes, I'll be going to the chart, and right now the levels which is running for the crude oil is a sell near 4455, SL would be 74, and the was already given from 98. Okay, and it has already given the targets. And these are the levels which are running right now. If you are interested to take your trade, you can plan your trade according to this. Yes, unfortunately, it already gave a good move, but it just hit one point over that. But again, these levels are working beautifully. So right now, these are the levels for crude oil. If you want to make a buy entry, you need to wait, or you need to make your buy near 4389 or 4390, which is already the levels are given for the buy levels, and it has already give profit. I'll be showing you, Neha, this is for you. Yes, that are the levels for the short. You should remember that your stop loss should be above 77 or today's high. 90% it works amazingly, Nikhil sir. 90% it works perfectly. You people can check it. It is working very nicely. Yes, there would be situation you should understand the little bit of technicals, whether it will be working next time. Every time it works. Say by first time it will be giving good accuracy. Second time it would be little bit risky. Third time same level would be more risky because there are high chances of breaking those levels. Nikhil sir, are you understanding? But yes, 90% it works amazingly. Here you people can see that the crude buy is already given at 98 zone. But yes, right now 80 zone would be a good level to make your buy entry. As I just looked at the charts right now, this is the NG. But if you look at the crude chart, Nia had already given you the levels as you are asking me about the crude levels. Is it clear? Yes, 80, 89 or 80 zone is a good buying zone, whereas the yeah, we all our members were ready to short it at 64 zone and they had already minted profit on that. So today's high was a good level to short, or 55 would be too good level to short by keeping SL to today's high. That's it. Yeah, I think you all would have enjoyed today's session. Let's meet Tuesday again in the commodity Pathshala part 6. I will be definitely including other topics as well as you want. And for the course curriculum or for further details about the offer of the batch 15 or the Genie, if you are interested, you can just contact our support team. They will guide you and they will help you to understand each and everything. The support number, the support ID is been mentioned over here. Please feel free to contact them. They will definitely guide you for the same. Here you will be getting the Telegram ID, WhatsApp ID, our website, and the contact number. Okay, thanks a lot. Let's meet Tuesday again in the live market for the commodity Pathshala part 6. Good evening all and have a nice week. Yeah, thank you.